Okay, students, a great evening to you. So let me discuss concepts in straight lines and a few questions. Let's discuss. Okay. So first, we look at some questions. Through the questions, we will understand. Okay. And wherever required concepts are to be told, I will tell you. Okay. Is my screen visible, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So the first type of question that you can be asked is find the slope of a line passing through 2 points. So what is the formula for slope?
y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1.
That's all. Change in y by change in x. Maybe take the first question. I'll call this as x1. Let this be y1. And let this coordinate be x2, y2. Okay. Yes, Enoch, tell me, Enoch, what is your y2? In the first case, let's do the first part now.
It's 4
Yes.
and minus
4 minus?
minus 2.
Yes, minus 2. Divided by, come on, tell me.
Minus 1 and
Yes.
minus 3.
Exactly. So what do you get? 4 minus of minus 2 is 6, correct?
6.
Divided by minus 4. Therefore, what is the slope? Are you all getting the same?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Now let's do the second one. Second one also, Enoch, tell me, what is the slope going to be?
It will be minus 2 minus minus 2 by 7 minus 3.
Yeah, denominator you get 4, but then numerator if you see minus 2 plus 2, what is it?
4.
No, minus 2
3.
plus 2, right?
Be 0 by 4.
Exactly. So slope is 0. So you can visualize, if slope is 0, that means we are talking about a line which is parallel to which axis?
The x-axis.
X-axis. It makes an angle 0 with x-axis. In fact, from these two values, you can understand what is this line. What is the line we are talking about? In fact, the line we are talking about is y is equal to minus 2. Because the value of y is not changing. Do you see that?
Y is equal to minus 2.
Correct. Very good. Right. Anyways, that is not asked, but just for your understanding. Should I repeat this, Jerome?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see here. Of course, this is not asked. If you stop at 0, it is enough. But I'm just taking one more step further, right? See here, the line is passing through 3, minus 2 and 7, minus 2. What is being remaining same, Jerome?
The y coordinate, sir.
Y coordinate is remaining same. That means height is remaining same. And what is it staying? Minus 2. So therefore, the required line is what?
Y is equal to minus 2.
Correct. These things you can think of. Okay, good.
So,
tell me
if
now.
a line is parallel to the y-axis,
It will be of the form x equal to constant.
Yeah, but the slope will be?
Slope will be infinity. Because you know that, very, very good question, See here, slope is nothing but, I think at a different point in time we had discussed, slope is nothing but what?
Tan theta.
That means if you have a straight line, which is inclined at an angle of theta with x-axis, then tan theta becomes the slope, correct? So when theta is 0, what is tan 0?
Infinity.
No. Tan 0 is 0.
Yes, sir.
When theta is 90, on the other hand, what will be tan 90?
It will be infinite.
Yes. Are you clear now? So once again, let me just clarify. If I have a line which is parallel to x-axis, what is my slope?
0.
0. If I have a line which is perpendicular to x-axis, then slope for this line is what?
Not defined.
Not defined. Yes. Because it makes an angle 90 with x-axis, tan 90 is not defined. Is it
So
crystal clear?
tan theta. So tan theta is always taken with respect to the
Positive
x-axis. right?
x-axis.
Okay. Positive x-axis.
Yes, always positive x-axis.
What if the line is on the other side?
See here. Let's say I have a line here, right? This is the angle theta taken as. For example, if this angle is 135 degrees, then slope is, maybe this angle is 45 degrees, correct? But you'd call the slope based on what? The angle it makes with positive x-axis. So it is tan 135. Tan 135 will be minus 1. Is it clear? You know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's always the angle that is taken with respect to what?
The positive y-axis.
Positive y-axis. Yes, very good. Positive, not y-axis here.
Positive x-axis. Sorry.
Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Zain, can you try this question?
Which one, sir?
Third one. Third one. What is slope equal to? Slope, tell me the formula, Zain.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x.
Very good. x2 minus x1. Okay, ma? Now in this case, this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. Now tell me. What will be y2 minus y1?
Infinity, sir.
Correct. Good. So what is y2? 4. y1 is minus 2. x2 is 3. x1 is also 3. So you're getting 6 divided by 0, which is what? Infinity, or you can call it as not defined, correct? So that's the answer. So not defined is the answer, or you can say slope is equal to infinity, you can say. Right. Now, bonus question for you guys. What equation does it represent? Any idea?
I'll take a wild guess and say y is equal to mx plus c.
No, it's a fixed line. It's a very clear.
Okay.
Not any general. See, these are the 2 points, isn't it? What is not changing, guys?
X-axis 3.
X is not changing. So x will be constant, isn't it? X equal to constant is a line parallel to y-axis. Just now we saw. And what will be the equation?
Tan theta is equal to 90.
That's true. Tan 90 is equal to infinity. Yes, theta is 90. But do you understand how I figured out the equation of the line is x equal to 3?
Because it's same on both sides.
Got it? Okay. Good, no problem. So let's do the last question in this. Okay, Enoch, you will do this. Find the slope of the line, the fourth one, which is making an inclination of 60 degree with positive direction of x-axis.
It's just root 3.
Exactly, very good. So we have a line which makes an angle of 60 degree with positive direction of x-axis. We know very well. What is slope?
Tan.
Theta.
Yes, tan theta. If where theta is the angle it makes with positive x-axis. So tan 60 and tan 60 value is root 3. Is it clear, students?
Sir, when will the angle be negative, sir?
When the, see here, you mean angle is negative or, okay, good. See, if I'm taking in the anti-clockwise direction, it is taken as positive. If I say minus 60 degrees, then it represents, or minus 30, let us say. That means I still start from x-axis, but then I go in the clockwise direction. This angle I'll call it as minus 30. Is it clear, Jerome?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, fine. Let's just verify our answers. Okay, question number 1. Is the first answer what we got is minus 3 by 2? Yes, second answer is 0. Third answer is not defined. Fourth answer is root 2. Is it clear, students? Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. If the angle between two straight lines is pi by 4 and one of the slope of one of the lines is 1 by 2, then find the slope of the other line. I have one line. And what is the slope? 1 by 2. We have another line. What is the angle between the two lines? Pi by 4. What is going to be the slope of this line? That's the question. Is it clear? 1 second, students. Just try this now. Okay, students. Now, once again, I'm going to give you a formula now. If theta is the angle between two lines, okay? If theta is the angle between the two lines having slopes m1 and m2, then tan of the angle theta will be equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 within modulus. We can take this down. Okay, done. Now, what is the angle between the two lines in this case?
Pi by 4.
Yes. So theta is pi by 4. And what is the slope of one of the lines?
1 by 2.
Okay. M2 I don't know. M2 let it be question mark. We don't know what it is. Okay, we have to answer. So we know that the formula is tan theta is equal to, come on, tell me.
m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 modulus.
Modulus, right? So if I'm replacing the modulus, right, that means this value can be plus or minus. Understood, ma? Or tan theta is equal to plus or minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. That means either it could be m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2, I mean 1 plus m1 m2, or m1 plus m2, m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. Let's do it both the ways. So this will be nothing but, this implies plus or minus. What is theta, guys, in this case?
45.
45 degrees. So now, so that's nothing but plus or minus 1 is equal to m1, let it be 1 by 2, minus m2, I don't know, let me keep it as m, divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 into m. Got it, guys? Or the unknown value of slope, if you want, you can keep it as x. If you're comfortable writing that way, or else you can keep it as m itself. Is it okay, guys? So there are two possibilities. One possibility is 1 is equal to 1 by 2 minus m divided by 1 plus 1 by 2 m. Or the other possibility is minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 minus m is equal to 1 by 1 plus divided by 1 plus 1 by 2m. So now just cross multiply and simplify, students. So if I cross multiply, I'll get 1 plus 1 by 2 m is equal to 1 by 2 minus m. If I bring this minus m this side, 1 by 2m plus m will be 3 by 2m. 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus half. So you can see that 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will cancel. The value of m will be equal to minus 1 by 3. This is one possibility. Let's look at the other possibility now. What is the other possibility? Cross multiply. You get minus 1 minus 1 by 2 m is equal to 1 by 2 minus m. So what could I do now? I can bring this minus m this side, so I can bring this minus 1 this side. So this will become m minus 1 by 2 m is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. So this will be half m is equal to yes, guys?
Okay, it's 3. I got 3.
Yes. Aren't you getting 3 and 1 minus 1 by 3?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is the method clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we'll verify our answer. So if you see, yeah, so it is m equal to 3 or m equal to minus 1 by 3. So they're just shown you how it looks graphically. That's not needed to be presented. Okay. So you know how to solve it, correct? Now let's move on to the next question. Any doubts in this, students?
No, sir.
Okay, excellent. Okay, now line through the points minus 2, 6 and 4, 8 is perpendicular to the line through the points 8, 12 and x, minus x, 24. Find the value of x. Okay. So one idea I'll tell you. If two lines having slopes m1 and m2 are perpendicular to each other, if two lines having slopes m1 and m2 are perpendicular to each other, then product of their slopes is equal to -1, which means m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Very important. Certainly, you can expect a question based on this idea. If two lines having m1 and m2 are perpendicular to each other, the product of their slopes is -1. So find the slope of this line. That slope will be m1. Find the slope of this line. That slope will be m2. Then since the two lines are given to be perpendicular, the product of their slopes will be -1. That's all. Okay. Let's find out m1, students. What is m1? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x. Enoch, tell me.
You use the formula y2 by x2 minus x.
Exactly. You
x2
use the
minus
formula
x1.
y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So can you tell me what it is?
So it will be 24 minus 12
Wait,
by
wait. Okay. So you're talking about m2. First, tell me m1.
it will be 8 minus 6 should be 2 by 4 minus 2 should be 6. Be 2 by 6, which will be 1 by 3.
Correct. And what is m2? Now tell me.
12 by 8 minus 6.
Yeah, 24 minus 12 divided by
It will be divided by 8. Oh, sorry, x minus 8.
Yeah, you must be very, very clear with the order. Okay. So if you had chosen this as x2, y2, you must maintain it. So 12 divided by x minus 8. And what do you know about the two? Because they are perpendicular, what do you know?
Their products will equal -1.
Yeah, m1 multiplied by m2 will equal -1. So m1 is 1 by 3. And m2 is 12 divided by x minus 8. And that's going to equal -1. What gets cancelled? 12 and 3. So it will be 4 divided by x minus 8 is equal to -1. So 4 is equal to minus of x minus 8, which means 4 is equal to minus x plus 8. So 4 minus 8, which is -4, is equal to minus x, or in other words, x is equal to +4. Check whether you are getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
You're getting 4? Very good. For x. Enoch, could you tell me what you're getting? Zain, you can also tell me.
S4, sir.
Tell me, Enoch. Yeah, Zain, yes, plus
I'm
4.
still doing it. I'm getting 4.
You're also getting 4, Enoch?
Yes.
Excellent. Good. Let's verify the answer. Let's write. Yes, the answer is 4. Clear, guys?
Which one of
Could you
the
come again with your
answers are
question, Enoch? You're talking about which question?
the second one, sir? The
Second one, yes.
If
So we were told that, the two lines are making an angle of
5/4.
5/4 between them, correct? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Enoch.
So should we resubstitute the values back into the equation? The
Which
tan theta
equation?
is
Which
equal to
equation?
tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2.
No, not really. Let's
And
go
then-
verify if your answer is correct. You can do that.
Okay. So both these answers will be correct, or only one?
Yeah. Correct.
Okay.
Sure. You want to check it out?
I mean, yeah. Okay. I'll try it.
Yeah. Probably you want to try it a little later. We can proceed to the next one.
I think that's better, sir. I'll try it on my own.
Yeah. Because modulus is there, one value you'll get it as negative, the other value you'll get as positive. When you substitute one of the values, you will get, or we'll do it right away. Don't worry. See here, it's m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1, right? M2, correct?
Yeah.
M1 is 1 by 2, right? And one of the answers we are getting for M2 is minus 3. Minus 3 or 3?
Just 3.
Just 3 we are getting. Another one is what? Minus 1 by 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So 1 plus. Is this correct, Enoch?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what are we getting? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 6. So LCM is 6. 3 plus 2, 5 divided by 6 minus 1, 5. So what are we getting? What are we getting, Enoch?
Getting the tan 60. Yeah,
We're
tan
getting 1,
45.
right?
Yeah.
And what is
One.
for what angle is tan theta 1?
Tan 45.
Exactly. So that's what was given in the question, right? So you want to try with the other option which is given. So what is that?
That was 3.
So this time you may have to use modulus sign because you will get a negative answer. Check it out. So what is m1 1 by 2? What about your m2? 3. So 1 plus 1 by 2 into 3. 1 by 2 minus 3. What do you get? 1 minus 6. So minus 5 by 2 divided by 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. So what are you getting, Enoch?
Get -1, but with mod you get 1.
Yes. So is it clear, Enoch?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay. Okay. Find the equation of the line. Find the equations of the lines parallel to axis and passing through -2, 3. So we have exact y-axis and we have x-axis. I want to draw 2 lines. Yes or no? Because when I say parallel to axis, what does that mean? I will have a line which is parallel to y-axis. I'll have one more line which will be parallel to what?
Axis.
X-axis, exactly. Okay, very simple. And both these lines must pass through the point. Which point?
-2,
Exactly. So the question is, can you find the equations of those lines, right? Can you tell me how to do that? Very, very simple. First, tell me where is this point, guys? Minus 2, comma 3. Minus 2, that means x is negative, y is positive. Which quadrant?
Second one. Second.
Second quadrant, isn't it? Yes or no? These are all positive values. These are my negative values. Do you understand? So when I say minus 2, comma 3, which point am I talking about? I'm talking about this point. Is it clear to you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what is my line which is parallel to my x-axis, which passes through this point?
Minus 2. What?
Isn't this the line, ma'am? What is this line? This line is what? Parallel to?
X-axis.
Yes, this line is parallel to x-axis. And is it passing through this point or not?
It is.
And can you tell me what is the equation of this line?
Y is equal to mx plus c. Is it?
No, all equations in the world would be y equal to
No.
mx plus c.
Sorry.
Specific line.
Okay.
Oh, it would be 3.
Sorry?
3. 3.
Not 3. 3 is not a
Sorry,
equation.
2.
2 is not an equation. Something must be equal to something. That's an equation, isn't it? Equation.
Sir, is it y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1?
No, nothing of that sort here. It's a very, very simple question. What is this line? What is x-axis called? What is the equation of x-axis?
Y is equal to 0.
Yes. Any line parallel to x-axis will be of the form y equal to constant. So isn't the line which I've drawn with orange color, isn't it parallel to x-axis? Yes or no? Isn't it parallel to x-axis? What is constant here? What is constant? What is constant? Isn't the height constant at every point? So what is constant? Y is constant. Y is constant. How much is the value of y? What is the value of y?
3.
Ah, that's all. So equation of the line is y equal to 3. Is it clear to you? It's a no-brainer. It's a very simple question. Yes, no? Okay, what will be the other line? This you must get it for me. The other line is parallel to y-axis.
X is equal to minus 2.
That's it. So this is my line which I'm talking about. Correct? And that line passes through this point which we're talking about. And in throughout this line which I've drawn with pink color, what is constant, guys?
X coordinate.
Yeah, x coordinate is constant, right? This distance is constant. What is changing? Y is changing, correct or not? It's a vertical line. In a vertical line, y changes, x doesn't change. So what is the equation of this line? Tell me.
X is equal to minus 2.
Yeah, x is equal to minus 2. That's it. That's it. Is it clear, students? Theorem clear, not clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. That's a very fair answer. So what is it? X equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 3. That's it. Let's look at our next question. Can we move on to the next question? You ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Find the equation of the line through a point minus 2 comma 3 with slope minus 4. Now is where you use slope point form. Equation of a line which is passing through a point x1 comma y1 and having slope m is given by y minus y1 is equal to x minus m into x minus x. Very, very important. Clear, guys? So if a line is passing through a point x1 comma y1 and it has a slope m, then the equation of the line is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So I can take this as x1 y1, slope is m. So can you just plug into the formula, guys? Enoch, tell me. What is my y1?
B 3
3, yes. What is my slope?
equal to 4 into x minus.
Is it 4 or minus 4?
Minus 4.
Yeah. Minus of minus 2. So it will become plus 2. So simplify this. Y minus 3 is equal to minus 4x minus 8. So if you bring it to one side, 4x plus y. This minus 8, when it comes here, it will become plus 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So plus 5 is equal to 0. That's it. So equation of the straight line is 4x plus y plus 5 equal to 0. Clear, Enoch? 0, are you getting the same answer? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. Let's verify your answer here. 4x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. Clear? Any doubts? Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Okay, now find the equation of the straight line that's passing through the 2 points. Have you taken this down? Can we move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Find the equation of the line passing through 2 points. So let me call these 2 points as x1, y1, x2, y2. 2-point form. Equation of the straight line passing through 2 points. Equation of a straight line passing through 2 points. x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x. Is that clear, students? Very, very important. Equation of a straight line through 2 given points is given by y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Yes, Enoch, now can you tell me for the given values, what would be the equation? How would I do it?
Y minus minus 1.
Yeah, y
Minus-
minus of minus 1 divided by,
5 minus of minus 3
very good, 5 minus of minus 1 is equal to,
is equal to x minus of minus, oh sorry, minus of 1.
Yes.
Minus 1, sorry. Minus 1 by 3 minus 1.
that's it. That's it. So it will be y minus of minus 1 is y plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. That's equal to x minus 1 divided by 2. So 2 and 6 cancel. You get 3 here. So the equation that you get is y plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to x minus 1. You can't leave it like this. You have to cross multiply, write it in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this will be y plus 1 is equal to 3 into x minus 1. So it will be 3x minus 3. Correct? We're almost there. Now bring everything on one side. 3x minus y minus 1 minus 3, that will be minus 4. Always after every answer, just verify your answer, okay? How do you verify your answer? Which are the points we are talking about? 1, minus 1 and 3, 5. They must satisfy the equation of this line, right? Substitute x as 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So correct. Substitute the other point also. Wherever x is there, substitute 1. Wherever y is there, substitute minus 1. See if the equation is satisfied. 3 into 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Therefore, your answer is 100% correct. So wherever possible, try verifying your answers. Jerome, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, Zain?
No, sir.
Okay. Just take it down, ma. Give me a minute. Okay, students. Have you completed? If you completed, we'll move on. All right, let's look into the next question now. Write the equations of the lines for which tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, where theta is the inclination of the line. When I say tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, what have I given you?
Slope, sir.
Slope, absolutely correct. So I have given you the slope, which means m. M is given to you. In the first case, y-intercept is given, okay? So first you can understand slope-intercept form. Okay? So, you know, I've been telling frequently, right? If I ask, whenever I ask you equation of a straight line, you give this. Yes or no? Good. So, time to apply that part. Okay. So, what is M, Enoch?
1.
M is called the slope. Okay.
Yes.
And what is C? It is something called
Minus.
y-intercept. Okay. In a diagram, how do we understand this? Let's say I have a straight line. Let's say a straight line which runs like this. It meets the y-axis, let's say at a point B. From the origin to the point B, this distance is called y-intercept. Is it clear what is y-intercept, Enoch?
The distance between the and the point where the line touches
Meets the x,
y-axis.
y-axis.
Meets the x.
Y-axis. Is that clear? All right. So now, first part of the question is straightforward. What is the equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. What are the parameters which are given to you? Tan theta is given. What is tan theta, Enoch?
Slope. Slope of the line.
So m is given half. And what else is given to you?
Y-intercept is given.
Which means what is directly given to you?
C.
Yes. C is called as the y-intercept. So C is your minus 3/2. So directly you can write the equation. So it is y is equal to, what is m? 1/2x.
Half.
Half x minus 3/2. Just cross multiply. 2y is equal to, just take LCM. LCM is 2. 2y is equal to x minus 3. Bring everything on one side. So you'll get the equation of the line as x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Is it clear? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Clear to you? Are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now let's move on to the next part of the sum. Same question, which means m remains same. What is m?
1/2.
Yes, m is 1/2. But this time what is given?
X-intercept.
X-intercept is given. Very good. Your y-intercept is not given, but x-intercept is given. Clear now? So how do you answer this question now? See here, if you remember, I mean, people had written it earlier class of mine. I would have told you, I'll tell you this now. See here, if you have ax plus by plus c equal to 0 as your equation of the straight line, okay? Then we will get 3 pieces of information from this, okay? What are those 3 pieces of information? First thing that you will get is slope. All right. Second thing that you will get is, or the next thing that you will be able to infer from this is, you'll get intercept, x-intercept. And the third thing that you can get is y-intercept from this, okay? The moment I give you this equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then slope will be nothing but, please pay attention everybody, slope will be nothing but minus a by b. That means coefficient of x, negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of x, Enoch?
A.
So you should take minus a. What is the coefficient of b? I mean, sorry, y?
B.
Yeah, so you should divide that. So minus a by b. Is that clear? That will directly give you the slope. What is the next thing? X-intercept. What is x-intercept? What is the constant here?
C.
C.
Y-intercept.
What is the coefficient of a? I mean, coefficient of x.
A.
So c by a will be your x-intercept. Now next, how do you find your y-intercept? What is the coefficient of? What is your constant?
Mm.
C. What is the coefficient of y?
C.
B. Therefore, your C by B will be your y-intercept. So this is very, very important. So once I give you the equation of a straight line as ax plus b, by plus c, then you will be able to infer these things. Please make a note. Very, very important for your competitive exam also. Have you noted this down?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, can you tell me when I'm telling you that I have given you the slope, what is the meaning? What have I given you?
Minus a by b.
Yeah, minus a by b is given. Is it okay now? And when I say x-intercept is given, what is given?
C and
Yeah, C by A is given. Got it, guys? Now what I can do is, I can take A value to be 1. A value is 1 means what? The equation starts with what? X plus, correct or not? So if I put A as 1, then what will happen to this? It will be minus 1 by B, correct? So minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by 2. So what is B? One by 2 is equal to minus 1 by B. So what is B?
B is 2.
Minus 2, ma? Don't leave the minus.
Really?
1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by B, correct? Cross multiply. So B is equal to, clear or not? Then what? A is 1, therefore C by 1. So what is C equal to? What is-
Minus 2.
Sorry?
4, sir.
What is C? C is 4, exactly. That's all. Your A is 1. B is the coefficient of y, so it is minus 2y. C is nothing but 4 equal to 0. That's it. That's your equation. Let's verify your answers now. Question number 7. So first equation is 2x, 2y minus x plus 3, 0, or you can write as x minus 2y minus 3, 0. Is it right? X minus 2y minus 3, 0, right? Next equation. Two y minus x plus 4 is 0. 2y minus x, one second. Okay, there is a sign change, children. Just we'll observe that. Please make a note of this. This also x-intercept also has a minus sign. Y-intercept also has a minus sign. So how do you understand this? Very simple. How do you get x-intercept? By putting y equal to 0. If you put y equal to 0, ax plus c is 0. So ax will be equal to minus c. So x will be equal to minus c by a. Similarly, how do you find y-intercept? Put x equal to 0 in this equation. So by plus c is 0, by is equal to minus c. So y is equal to minus c by b. Now let's work it out. So your b is minus 2, that is correct. No doubt about it. But here it should be minus c by a. So if I take minus c, then c is going to be not 4, but what is it going to be? Minus 4. Therefore, you have a minus sign. So your equation of the straight line is going to be x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, or 2y minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Let's verify our answer. 2y minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Clear, students? Take it down.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have to go. Can I leave the class?
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Take care, ma. Any doubts, Enoch?
Till now, no, sir.
Till now, clear? Okay. So just make a correction here. This both are minus sign. All the three are minus. Jerome, you have taken it down?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, sure. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. I think with this, we could conclude today's session. Find the equation of the line which makes intercepts minus 3 and 2 on the x and y axis respectively. So intercept form. What is intercept form? If I have a straight line cutting x-axis, let's say at a point A, and cutting y-axis at a point B. Let's say this distance is A and this distance is B. We know that this distance will be called as x-intercept. The distance OA is going to be called as x-intercept. And the distance OB is going to be called as what?
Y-intercept.
Yes. The equation of the straight line, if you know the x-intercept and y-intercept, is x divided by A plus y divided by B is equal to 1. So the equation of a straight line in intercept form is given by x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So what is A in this question? What is x-intercept now?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So in this question, A is equal to minus 3. And what is B equal to?
2.
So if I substitute those values here, so I will get x divided by minus 3 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 1. So you can multiply throughout by 6 so that you get, or you can multiply by minus 6, okay? Both the sides. Why minus 6? Because it's LCM of minus 3 and 2. So when you multiply minus 6, you will get 2x minus 3y equal to minus 6. So when you bring it to the left side, you'll get plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required equation is 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. That will be your equation of the straight line in intercept form. Once again, how to verify my answer is correct or not? Very simple. Put x equal to 0. What are you getting y as? Put x equal to 0 in this equation. Tell me what is y. If you put x equal to 0 here, this will be 0. Minus 3y is equal to 6, minus 6. So y is equal to 2. So you're getting intercept 2. Put y equal to 0. Then you'll get 2x is equal to minus 6, x equal to minus 3. You're getting the x-intercept. So you're very sure of your answer that you're getting. Is it clear, students? Any doubts in this?
Sir, could you repeat that? So something
Yeah,
happens
the verification
also.
part. Verification part.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So this is the answer you got, correct? Enoch? Correct?
Yes.
You want me to explain the whole sum or is it clear?
No. The whole sum of four, just the verification.
Verification, right? So point is, you might have made some silly mistake. You want to ensure whether you have made any mistake or not, correct? So how do you check whether your answer is correct? See here. In this equation, put x equal to 0. When you put x equal to 0, that refers to the point where the line meets the y-axis, correct? So if you put x equal to 0, 2 into 0 is 0. What are you left with?
It's the minus 3y.
So if I take the 6th this side, what will I get?
Minus 3y is equal to minus 6.
So what is y?
It's 3y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6.
Y is equal to what?
Y is equal to 2.
2, right? Y is 2. So I'm getting the y-intercept as 2. Got it? Clear, Enoch?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what you do for the other one. Put y equal to 0. When you put y equal to 0, what are you left with?
You're left with 2x plus 6 is equal to 0.
So what is 2x equal to?
X is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 6. X is equal to x is equal to minus 6 by 2 and x is equal to minus 3.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's it. So that concludes your concepts required for the second exercise. You can, with this knowledge, you can do the second exercise. So you can do 9.1, 9.2. All right. And there is a last part which is there, which probably we can find some time tomorrow or day after, and we can do the last part. Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? So what you should do after this is do exercise 9.1 and 9.2 and be thorough with it.
Okay.
Okay. All the best.